Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the headphones to at least half and open Bluetooth on your Mac so it stays visible. Once done, put the Xm6 into pairing mode by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until the blue and amber lights flash. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off or away, because interference can slow discovery. Now watch the Mac's Bluetooth list. You'll move immediately to the detected Sony entry in the next step. You'll see Xm6 appear in the Bluetooth devices list. Click Connect and then wait as Mac OS negotiates the audio profile. Make sure to accept permission prompts. Sometimes Mac OS asks to enable input or access to media, so audio works correctly. Once connected, go to Sound Settings and confirm the headphones are selected for output, and for calls choose headphones if available. If you need higher fidelity for music, switch to use as audio output. You should now test playback and microphone. Play a track, then make a quick call to verify both directions. If the Sony won't pair, reset the headphones by holding power plus the noise canceling button for about 10 seconds, then retry pairing. If audio is choppy or disconnects, remove the device on your Mac and pair again, and make sure macOS Bluetooth is not crowded with multiple audio streams. One key tip: restart Bluetooth on the Mac before more complex troubleshooting, because that often clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.